Alright everybody, let's take a look at the NorthTrail 29 BHP floor plan. Now this is a unique floor plan to me. This is the first time I've seen a bunkhouse in this configuration and I like it. So you got bunk over bunk here. This has a rating of 300 pounds and this upper bunk is 200 pounds. And you've got windows on both levels. And you also have this nice new spot. Now it could be for storage. I'm not a designer, but I thought what a great location if you bring along your little four-legged friend during camping. You've got this massive walk-in pantry, closet, whatever is going to be best for you regarding what you're bringing. But you've got 1, 2, 3 huge cubbies. You've got storage on the top of this unit as well as hooks on both sides. Just a very nice, massive closet or storage compartment here behind your entertainment center. Now you've got this massive TV. I'm not sure if this comes standard. If it does, obviously a huge value, but I do know if it doesn't come with this, you will be prepped for your TV. Integrated fireplace. What the team has done at NorthTrail, they've installed this new radio upgrade, which has pass-through HDMI, pass-through USB, and Bluetooth. Should you have little campers that bring a PlayStation or a Nintendo Switch, they're gonna set that unit in here, take that HDMI cable, and instead of fishing it behind the TV, it's passed through, so they're going to connect it on this radio. Also, if you got a smartphone and you have your favorite music, you can now stream that through this radio. So very, very nice. NorthTrail's hitting on what's trending. Light in color, neutral wood tones. You've got black hardware, just a really nice look. You're also going to see a trend to larger reefers. This is 10.7 cubic foot. This is 12 volt. So for those of you that want to go off the grid, boondock, dry dock, or whatever you call it, please check with your authorized NorthTrail dealer about other options you would have. Just gonna check the box. You got a microwave, 3-burner stove. This counter, it's got a soft beveled edge all the way around. So if you have little campers, no sharp corners here, that is a nice touch. And when I talk about the counter itself, a lot of space. Because in this NorthTrail, they mounted the upper cabinets up high. So you've got a lot of room here because of how these are constructed. You got a really nice large cutting board as well. So multifunctional, and again, storage continues below the farmhouse style sink, and you also have drawers here as well as a nice integrated spice rack. You have a sofa that will convert into a bed for 2 adults to sleep. You don't have carpet on the slide. What you have is marine grade woven fabric that won't take on water, dirt, debris. Also, you've got massive windows that open. Don't use your AC. Allow Mother Nature to give you natural cross breeze. You have your dinette. 2 color options. So depending on what you like, or maybe the kids get them dirty, you can switch them over and at least get through the next meal. This will collapse down for your guests to sleep. And you have storage on both sides of the benches of the dinette. Credit to the design of this NorthTrail, they were able to fit this massive 72 by 80 king size bed. You have elongated nightstands on both sides, about 4 feet long, so it would hold CPAP, cell phones, surrounding the king size bed, below the king size bed, across from the king size bed. You have everything that you need to give you the storage required for you and your family to have a great trip out on the open road. So if you have more questions about this floor plan, about NorthTrail, there's a lot more features that I did not include in this video. Please contact us. Go to heartlandrvs.com. Thanks everybody.